Hey guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the circumference of the circle. So we spent the last two classes doing the area. We're going to make it a little bit more, not more difficult, but the other option is to find the circumference. So circumference is all about the outside. So imagine I stood here and I walked around the outside of the circle. The area is the inside, the circumference is the outside. It's the exact same thing as perimeter. So we used the word perimeter as well. You might have seen that before, or you should have seen that before, hopefully. So circumference means the same thing. The formula for circumference is a little bit different. So the circumference of a circle has the formula 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r, with r being the radius. Pi, remember, is 3.14, or you can get the button on your calculator. If you don't have your calculator, or if you don't have a scientific calculator, or you're unsure about how to get pi up on it, you can just use 3.14 for the moment. So the radius here for this one, as you've seen before, is from halfway point to the end. So from the center of the circle to the end. So this is the whole way across, it's called the diameter. So half of that is going to be the radius, which is 4 centimeters. Our formula is 2, so for the circumference is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r, which is the radius. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to sub the radius into this formula. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 4, and on our calculator that might give us 8 pi. And if we get 8 pi, right, all we have to do is press change or SD, which is, I know it's hard to see, is in the corner here. So change or SD, depends on whether you have Casio or Sharp, and it gives us 25.13 centimeters. It's not an area, so it's not centimeters squared. If you want to use 3.14, 2 by 3.14 by 4, you'll get the same answer. So you can use 3.14 instead of pi. Okay? And that will give you this here. Have a look at the second one. The second one's even easier because you're given the radius. So the radius is 9.5 centimeters. Right? So all we're doing here is we're subbing in, so the circumference is equal to 2 by pi by 4, and we're just going to sub in 9.5. So we get 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 9.5. That's probably going to give you 19 pi in your calculator. And remember, you can just press change or SD. So 19 pi is 59.7 centimeters. Again, you can use instead of pi 3.14. So that's how you get the circumference, the outside of the circle. So it's like walking around a circle. So in your exam, you could be asked for the area, you could be asked for circumference, or you could be asked for both.